Hi there, my name's Andrew, one of the final year medical students. Could you just confirm your name and date of birth for me?
Sure, it's James, 13th of December 1989.
Nice to meet you, James. Today I've been asked to examine your shoulders. This will just involve looking at the shoulders and then feeling around the shoulder joints and then just assessing the movement at both shoulders as well. Would that be okay?
That sounds fine.
Brilliant. Do you have any pain at all before we begin?
No, I don't.
Fantastic. If you could just take your t-shirt off for the examination as well and we'll get started. And press with both hands. James, I'm now going to feel the shoulder joints. Do let me know if you have any pain at all. If you could just turn and face the wall behind you. Okay, James, it's time to assess the movements in your shoulder joints now. First of all, if you could put both hands behind your head and push your elbows back. Fantastic, and relax. And now if you could, with both hands, reach up your back as far as you can. Brilliant, and relax again. Okay, James, we're going to do some further movements now. If you could just copy what I'm doing. First of all, if you could bring your arms out in front of you as high as they'll go. And now bring your arms back down and take them back behind you as far as they'll go, like this. Fantastic. And relax. And now bring your arms out to the side and all the way to the top like this. Brilliant. And take your arms back down and bring them across your body. Fantastic, and relax. And now tuck your elbows in like this and bring your arms out and then across your body like this. Okay, James, I'm now going to place my hand on your back. And if you could bring your left arm out to the side and all the way to the ceiling, as done previously. Fantastic, and relax. Okay, James, I'm going to move your arm for you now. If you just stay as relaxed as possible. Please let me know if you have any pain at all. Okay, James, now for some special tests. Do let me know if you have any pain at all. Bring your right arm out to the side like this. Bring it forward slightly. Thumb to the ground. Don't let me push your arm down. And relax. James, I'm now going to move your arm towards the ceiling, and then I'm going to ask you to bring it back down towards the resting position yourself. Again, let me know if you have any pain at all at any point. Was that painful?
No, it wasn't.
Okay, and just bring your arm out in front of you like this. And push against my hand. That's great. James, and now with your right hand, reach up your back for me. And now push against my hand. That's great. Okay, James, that completes the examination. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Today I performed a shoulder exam on James, a 27-year-old male. On inspection he had no obvious deformities. However, he does have an old surgical scar on the posterior aspect of his left arm. On palpation he had no pain and he has a full range of active and passive movements. This was a normal shoulder exam. To complete my examination, I'd like to examine the joint above, the C-spine, and the joint below, the elbow. I'd also like to assess the neurovascular status of both upper limbs, as well as looking at any available x-rays.